Asia has, over the past decades, transformed itself into a manufacturing hub. This also applies to truck engines. But how good are these? Well, today we're ranking 10 Asian truck engines from worst to best based on durability, fuel efficiency, maintenance costs, and user feedback. Let's get started, shall we? Number 10, JAC V7 2.0-liter diesel engine. The JAC V7, a mid-size pickup truck produced by JAC Motors in Nanshan, Jiaxi, China, was launched in 2018. It offers two engine options: 2.0-liter gasoline engine producing 147 horsepower and a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine delivering 116 horsepower and 285 Nm of torque. The diesel variant is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Despite its affordability, the JAC V7 diesel engine has faced criticism regarding its long-term reliability. Additionally, the truck's styling closely resembles the Toyota Hilux, so yeah, no points for originality either. The JAC V7 is primarily available in the Chinese market with limited presence outside China. Even at home, market reception has been mixed. Moving on, number 9. Wanhai N2 2.5-liter diesel engine. Introduced in 2015 by SG Automotive under the Wanhai Auto brand, the Wanhai N2 is a mid-size pickup truck designed for the Chinese market. It offers a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 diesel engine, the Isuzu JE4 D25Q5A. The diesel engine delivers approximately 143 horsepower and 340 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and complies with Euro V emission standards. In terms of performance, Isuzu JE4 D25Q5A provides adequate power for light to medium duty applications. Its fuel efficiency is competitive within its class. However, some users have reported concerns regarding the engine's long-term reliability and fuel efficiency under heavy usage. While the N2 is competitively priced, these factors may lead to higher maintenance costs over time. Number 8, Higer Longwei 2.8-liter diesel engine. Produced by Higer Auto, a subsidiary of King Long Group, the Higer Longwei is a mid-size pickup truck introduced in March 2015. Manufactured in Suzhou, Jiangsu, China, the Longwei is available with two engine options: a 2.4-liter petrol engine producing 136 horsepower and a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine delivering 102 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, while providing adequate power for light to medium-duty applications, has faced criticism regarding its long-term reliability. Users have reported inconsistent performance and maintenance challenges, especially under heavy usage conditions. Despite its moderate initial cost, Longwei's maintenance expenses may accumulate, offsetting its affordability. Primarily marketed in China, the Higer Longwei has limited export presence. Its market reception has been mixed. Number 7, the UD Cruiser GH4E engine. Introduced in 2017 by UD Trucks, a subsidiary of Isuzu since 2021, the UD Cruiser GH4E engine is a 3.8-liter turbocharged inline-4 diesel engine designed for light-duty commercial vehicles. It delivers 112 kilowatts at 2,800 RPM and 400 Nm of torque between 1,400 and 1,800 RPM. The engine features a common rail fuel injection system that complies with Euro 2 emission standards. In terms of performance, the GH4E engine offers a maximum speed of 90 km an hour with a gradability of up to 39%. Its fuel efficiency is enhanced by a fuel coaching system. The GH4E engine is known for its durability and low maintenance needs. Marketed primarily in Asia, the UD Cruiser with the GH4E engine has been well regarded in Japan and select international markets. Its compact size and efficient performance make it a popular choice for businesses requiring a versatile light-duty truck. Now, number 6, the Foton Grand General G9 2.5-liter diesel engine. Introduced in 2021 by Foton Motor in China, the Foton Grand General G9 is a mid-sized pickup truck equipped with a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 diesel engine. The engine delivers approximately 160 horsepower and 390 newton meters of torque. The G9 is available with both a 6-speed manual transmission and a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. In terms of performance, the G9's 2.5-liter diesel engine offers a balance of power and efficiency, making it a competitive choice in its class. The G9 has been well received in international markets. Its competitive pricing and reasonable maintenance costs further enhance its appeal. Number 5, the Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter 6M60 engine. The Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter, a medium-duty truck introduced in the 1980s, has been a staple in the commercial vehicle market. Among its various engine options, the 6M60 stands out as a 7.5-liter inline-6 turbocharged diesel engine. It delivers a 162 kilowatt output and 1,000 newton meters of torque. This engine configuration is tailored for heavy-duty applications. Performance-wise, the 6M60 engine is designed to handle substantial payloads and challenging driver conditions. Its robust torque output ensures efficient operation even under full load. Equipped with a 6M60 engine, the Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter has a higher initial acquisition price compared to some competitors. However, its low maintenance requirements and fuel efficiency cut down operational costs. Market reception of the Fuso Fighter has been positive, particularly in regions like Southeast Asia and Australia. Moving on. Number 4, Isuzu 6H-K1 engine, introduced in 2007. The Isuzu 6H-K1 engine is a 7.8-liter inline-6 turbocharged diesel engine with a displacement of 7,790 cubic centimeters, 300 horsepower, and a 980 newton meters of torque. The engine features a single overhead camshaft, or SOHC, designed with 24 valves and employs a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, coupled with a variable nozzle turbocharger, or VNT, and air-to-air intercooler to enhance performance and fuel efficiency. The engine's design emphasizes ease of maintenance with readily available parts and a straightforward layout that facilitates servicing. This has contributed to its widespread adoption in various commercial vehicles, including the Isuzu Forward and Isuzu Giga trucks. Moreover, fleet operators have reported fuel savings of up to 10%. This efficiency, combined with its low maintenance cost, offers a favorable total cost of ownership for businesses. Globally, the Isuzu 6H-K1 engine is widely used and has earned an excellent reputation for reliability. Its adoption spans across various markets, including Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, where it powers a range of commercial vehicles. Number 3, Hino Ranger J08E engine. Introduced in the early 2000s, the J08E is a 7.7-liter inline 6 turbocharged diesel engine that delivers approximately 286 horsepower and 1,000 newton meters of torque, making it ideal for medium-duty trucks like the Hino Ranger. The engine features a single overhead camshaft, or SOHC, designed with 24 valves and employs a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system coupled with a variable nozzle turbocharger and the air-to-air intercooler to enhance performance and fuel efficiency. The engine can help fleet operators save up to 10% fuel compared to older engine models, particularly in long-haul operations. This efficiency, combined with its low maintenance cost, offers a favorable total cost of ownership for businesses. Globally, the Hino J08E engine is widely used. Its adoption spans across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Number 2, the UD Quan GH13 engine. Introduced in 2004 by UD Trucks, formerly Nissan Diesel, the UD Quan GH13 is a 13-liter inline 6 turbocharged diesel engine that delivers up to 390 kilowatts of output and 2,601 newton meters of torque. The engine features a variable nozzle turbocharger and an electronically controlled common rail fuel injection system. What does this mean for users? Improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions. In terms of reliability, the GH13 engine has established a strong reputation for durability and long service life. Its design emphasizes ease of maintenance with readily available parts and a straightforward layout that facilitates servicing. The GH13 engine's fuel efficiency is another standout feature. Then there are low maintenance costs. Globally, the UD Quant equipped with a GH13 engine is widely used and has earned an excellent reputation for reliability. Its adoption spans across various markets, including Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, where it powers a range of commercial vehicles. But wait, we've saved the best for last. Number 1, the Toyota Dyna 4.0-liter diesel engine. The Toyota Dyna 4.0-liter, specifically the N04C variant, is a 4-liter inline 4-turbocharged diesel engine that delivers approximately 150 horsepower, 420 newton meters of torque. Introduced in the mid-2000s, Dyna 4.0-liter is perfect for light-duty applications. The engine's performance and durability have made it a preferred choice among fleet operators. Can also deliver fuel savings of up to 10% compared to older engine models, particularly in urban operations. Maintenance costs are also fairly affordable. Globally, the Toyota Dyna equipped with the N04C engine is widely used. Markets include Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Well, what are your thoughts on the whole thing? Let us know in the comments below. Love trucks and want to learn more? We upload regularly. Subscribe to get on board.